Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to give you an update on the overall market, talk about Bitcoin, talk about Crypto.com CRO because we are getting quite the retracement on CRO as we speak. But without further ado, let's hop into this video. So guys, right now, Bitcoin is trading above 37,000 at $37,102, down about 0.15% on the day. This is good. This is good, guys. We want to see these weekly candle closes above 37,000. And that weekly candle close we're going to take a look at because it is closing pretty soon here. Bitcoin dominance at 51.23%, coming down a little bit. And you exclude stablecoins, we're trading at about 53.23%. Obviously, the liquidity is moving out of Bitcoin into some of these altcoins, but we're getting a little bit of a cool off. That's okay, though, guys. I mean, we just had a ridiculous run up. But CRO down almost 17% on the day. Solana down about 8% on the day. Some coins really retracing, but we're going to take a deeper look into that. So overall, Bitcoin, I want you to take away from this, guys, is Bitcoin is above $37,000. That's important. Weekly candle close, 3 hours and 59 minutes, okay? If we get these weekly candle closes above 37,000, there's a lot more room for Bitcoin to run on the higher term time frames. And I'm talking weekly, monthly, 6 months. We have a lot more room to run up. The invalidation point in my mind was really if we were to come below 35,000 leading into this weekly close. But as of right now, guys, this looks pretty good. I mean, maybe on the monthly, if we come below 32,700, this level right here, then that could be an invalidation. But things are looking good, guys. Above 37,000, a weekly candle close, and hopefully we can get a monthly candle close following that, is very bullish for the higher term time frame. We were due for a little bit of a pullback on some of these altcoins, and I mean Bitcoin, sure, you can call it a pullback if you really want, but extremely minimal. Extremely minimal. I mean, look at how tight this is being range bound just because, well, guys, Bitcoin dominance is coming down, and the liquidity and the fun and the greed, emphasis on the greed, is moving towards the altcoins. That's exactly what we're seeing. So let's take a look over at CRO because CRO has made a big move to the downside, but, you know, it's all relative when I say a big move to the downside because, I mean, look at that, guys. That move to the upside is pretty ridiculous. We were due for this move. We were due for this little cool off. And I want you to pay attention to this, guys. Look where we're finding support. We're finding support at 0.0998 cents. This level I had drawn out for quite some time. Very important level. Look at that. The wick came down. The buyers bought it back up. Now we're trading on this support. What I always want to see for bullish continuation is a breakout, a retest, and a resumption off. And when you see that, that's extremely bullish. It's extremely bullish. So what we need to see is a bounce from here. We don't want to see grinding out on this level. The more you bounce off of this support, the more likely it's going to get weaker and we're going to come down. But when you get a breakout, a retest, and a resumption off, bullish. It's very bullish. Guys, I mean, if you've been watching the channel for the past 6 months, you're in the profit. You're in the profit. I mean, this move to the upside is absolutely incredible. And we're talking about a move that was basically a 152% move from the bottom at about 4.5, 5 cents. Pretty incredible, guys. We came down all the way to, for a little while there, I thought we were going to come down to 4.5 cents. But the Bitcoin spot ETF news, the fake news, let it be, you know. From Cointelegraph, they came out and they said that there was a BlackRock Bitcoin spot ETF approved, and it was fake news. And you know what? The fake news is what started this because now there's actually going to be some approvals of these ETFs. It's so uncanny that once BlackRock comes to the table, the SEC just switches up their step in their beat. You know, it's first they're talking all this nonsense about how Bitcoin's terrible. And the second, BlackRock says, hey, you know, actually, we want to file for a SPY ETF. The SEC goes, oh, you know, crypto, Bitcoin, that's a revolutionary thing. This will be amazing for the financial space. Very intriguing stuff, guys. Very intriguing stuff. But I do want you to know that don't panic, guys. Don't panic. This is a healthy correction right here, especially testing and finding support at 10 cents. That's a higher low, my friends, a higher low. We want higher lows and higher highs to have bull market confirmation. Bitcoin, let's take a look a little bit more on the higher term time frames. Like I said, above 37,000, bullish. We get weekly closes, monthly closes above 37,000, bullish. And we're definitely playing very close here, trading around 37,000 flat. But if we can stay above that, it's very bullish. But even if we stay above 35,000, it's good. It's good. We're not coming down if we come test 35,000. Be patient, guys. We're about 150 days, about give or take 20 days till the Bitcoin halving. Very curious. I am looking at continuation to maybe even 45,000 from this move before we reach the halving event. So time will really tell. But guys, if you like this type of content, these quick updates, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. Finally, the volatility is coming back into the market. We're actually having some excitement. There's hype. There's greed coming here. Be careful. There's money to be made. But be careful, guys. It's not you versus the charts. It's you versus you. The bull market is just as hard, if not harder, than the bear market. It doesn't require conviction. It requires knowing when to take profits. And it can be very, very tough for many individuals. But guys, if you stuck around this far, please go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. Very, very active over there. Go below this video. Check out our description box. We have tons of referral links. A $4,100 sign-up bonus for Femex. It's really accessible for American citizens. Also, we have an $8,000 sign-up bonus for BitGet as well if you're not in the U.S. It's really nice. But guys, these exchanges are trying to give money away right now because they know the hype is coming back to the space. They know that there's money to be made, so they are being generous. So feel free to click some of those referral links down below. Also consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video or to our homepage. Click the join button. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, as well as we're giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin every single month leading up to the halving to a different member. Love giving back to you guys. That's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.